How to delete block number in WhatsApp without unblock. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete block number in WhatsApp without unblock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I get what you're talking about. You open up WhatsApp, let's say you happen to block a certain person or an account by simply scrolling down, tapping the block business option here. Once you block a certain account, now what happens is that they're going to show up in the block list. So you tap the three dots option, you go to settings, you go to privacy here, and then if you scroll down, you go to blocked contacts, you'll find an option here known as blocked accounts. Now what happens here is that let's say you're trying to delete this blocked contacts, but the only way we can do so is we have to unblock them first. We cannot remove a record of the contacts that we have blocked. Now you might say me that you don't want to completely see this person's face or their number, that's why you want to completely remove it. But what if later you want to unblock them but you won't have their number? So that is the reason why the record of the blocked contacts always needs to be there. You can't just say that you can make a bank transaction and then delete the transaction, because the transaction always needs to be there for the record. And that is why WhatsApp also cannot work based on your emotions, because you might say that right now you don't want to see that person's face and then you want to remove from the block list. But as I said, WhatsApp is a multi-billion-dollar company and they cannot work based on human emotions. That is why the record of the blocked contacts always needs to be there. Either leave them at the block list or either unblock them. Unfortunately, that is the truth of this video. Hopefully, if in the future WhatsApp might come up with such an update that will allow you to do this, I'll also make sure to update you about it. Until then, see you in the next video.